What's up, guys? So this week Apple introduced the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini, and both models feature major innovations. Redesigned inside and outside, both models introduce an all-new Retina XDR display that brings content to life with ProMotion. Featuring a sleek and durable design, an advanced new dual camera system for improved photos and videos, indoor lights, and also the cinematic mode. The iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini also claims super fast performance and power efficiency with a 15 bionic chip, longer battery life, incredible durability with the ceramic shield front cover, double end storage at 128 gigabytes, an industry-leading IP68 rating for water resistance, and an advanced 5G experience. These two smartphones will be available in pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and red, with pre-orders beginning on Friday, September 17, and availability beginning Friday, September 24. The Retina XDR OLED display is claimed to deliver a contrast ratio for true blacks and a 28% increase in max outdoor brightness at 800 nits, with higher peak brightness for HDR content like photos and videos at 1200 nits. Well, we will see on the 24th if the legends will come to life. The new wide camera will have 1.7 micrometer pixels. That will be the biggest sensor ever in iPhone dual camera system, and is capable of gathering 47% more light for less noise and better results. Sensor shift OIS, a technology introduced in iPhone 11 Pro Max, will also come on the wide camera. For creative control, the focus is said to be changeable during and after capture, and the cinematic mode records in Dolby Vision HDR, and both models will also offer HDR video recording with Dolby Vision in 4K up to 60 frames per second on all cameras. The promised 16-core neural engine is capable of 15.8 trillion operations per second, enabling fast machine learning computations as well as features like live text in camera with iOS 15. FaceTime call now has spatial audio and a new portrait mode. New focus features that will help users reduce distraction. Notifications are said to have been redesigned, and live text uses an on-device intelligence to recognize text in a photo and allow users to take action. Apple Maps also have new 3D city driving experience and walking directions in augmented reality. Weather is redesigned with full screen maps and more geographical display data. New privacy controls in Siri, Mail, and more places across the system will also be a feature on these two models. The iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini will be available in pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and red, with a storage of 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. And one more thing to all iPhone users, iOS 15 will be available as a free software update on Monday, September 20. So this is it, guys, what you have been waiting for, the iPhone 13. And for you to see more videos like this, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you see all our future videos. Bye for now, and see you on our next video. Ciao.